Hi everyone and welcome to the Witch Doctor's Guide to ServiceNow, episode number 34 right now. Today we're going to take a look at IntegrationHub and how to actually use the JSON Parser to make your life easier when you're pulling stuff and get your JSON back. It's recorded in Quebec, and let's run through this PowerPoint, I guess. So, my name is Goran Lundqvist, aka the Witch Doctor. Been working with ServiceNow stuff for quite a while now. I put down the stuff in a PowerPoint, and if you've seen my other videos, I don't really like going through this each time. I have made hopefully your life easier with my links. If you want to reach out on LinkedIn or find this YouTube channel, which you probably have found since you're looking at this video. Yeah, let's just move on. Before I go to the fun stuff, I just want to give a reminder. If you see this before the 3rd of March, I will be with Perspective on a webinar talking to no one else but David Liu about integrations, and we'll have a blast. So if you haven't seen it, I will put the link in the YouTube description so you can sign up for it, and hopefully we'll see you there. So last slide is fast. What we're going to do, let's take a look at the JSON Parser and how we can use that. So let's skip the PowerPoint. Let me get into this place. So basically what I've just done, I've started up the Flow Designer. And what JSON Parser is helping you with is that it makes life so much easier when you get back a JSON response and you don't need to script what you want out of that response body. You can just put it in the response, put it in the JSON parser. It will build that for you, and you can do that without a line of code. So let's take a look how we can do that. So let's start with building a new action. We call it the EP34 live. Get instance remote. There we go. So I'm just going to build a quick action here. I'm not going to go through how the REST API works and so on. So first we'll go down and we'll create the REST call. And I'll just use, I have created a connection alias. So if this could just load. Oh, not new record, sorry. There we go. I'll connect to my other dev instance, and the path is, let's see if I remember this already. Correct the API. Now, table, and we're just going to use good old incident table. So we're going to use get. Well, let's do it like this instead. So we just want to limit the amount of records we get back. So let's limit that sysparm limit. Let's get 10 records for fun. No query, just give me some records. I usually always do this as well. It's just an old habit. If you don't put this one in and trying to use the outbound HTTP logger, this one, it will not give you any good logs because you haven't defined what you're actually sending. So I always put that one there. So this is the rest step. Let's hit test just to see that it works before we do anything else. And it's a good thing because we need to get the response first to see that it looks like how we want it. So it's completed, nothing red. Let's go down to steps. There we go. Scrolling down, and we can see the response body, and doesn't look right. meaning my URL wasn't good enough. So let's take your API /now/table. Wonder if it's just because I have big ones. Is it that sensitive on a Monday morning? Come on. What? Did that one freeze? This looks like a good day to start. Oh, I was in the wrong window. Sorry, let's hit test. Oh my god. So, let's do another test. If this one not working, I have to go look at the manual. Here we go. That was it. You need to have small lowercase letters. So here is the result body, and I'll just copy all of that. So I have that one, and then I'll go back to my action. And now I'm going to add that JSON parser. So if I scroll down, if you don't have it, you might need to add it as a plugin. Here we go. JSON parser. And of course, the data it will get in comes from the REST step. So let's find that one. It's the response body. And then I'll just paste in the one I copied earlier. And I copied the wrong one. Or I copied too much. Let's see. Let's go back. Here we go. Let's go for this one. Copy. Go back again. Paste it in. Now it is good. And just click outside. It's not. Oh, look. It actually didn't get everything in the logs. Okay, let's do another way. Let's go back. Get rid of these error messages. And let's just get one. Test. Now hopefully we'll see the whole body. JSON parser failed, yeah, because we didn't finish that one, so that doesn't matter. Let's just go back. This is the one we want, and now we can see it ends properly as well. Mark, copy. Let's get back in there. Parser. Remove, paste, and click outside. Now we can see all the stuff that we got, and you can also see we have the generate target. So let's build. I'll get rid of that one. Let's build the target, the object. And this is what I'm talking about. You can do without doing your scripting. Earlier you had a script step and you had to go down and assign everything. And now you basically just will go in here and make sure that everything is there. There we go. So what you do now, because you need to build the output as well, you go to the top level, hit the arrow down, and you have, let's just get rid of save as template. You click on that one, and I'll hit episode 34. Save, let's see, let's call this just live incident. It's saved it just so I'll be able to find it in the list later. So, save that one. Let's go to the output. Want to create, and I'll call that incident. Then we'll go over here, and that's an object. And now comes the magic. The structure, start from template. Find your template. And you can see that it's all been built. Here now. Takes some time because there are quite a few fields, but yeah, there we go. If you want, you can of course change the labels and so on. I won't do that now just to show you that, but then you hit exit mode. Then you just decide, where do I fill output? It's the root object, and just drag it over there. Hit OK. And now we're done. So I'll hit save. Remember, now we're just fetching one instance just for testing. And of course, to be able to fetch the whole JSON response body as well. Let's take a look at the test. You can see that here is the response. Looks quite good. So let's go back, remove these two. There we go. And I'll just change this one to 10. Hit save. Now let's build a flow to see that it actually worked. I've done one just in case this one broke, but let's go from scratch. So just 32 live. I'll just hit submit. I'll make a trigger, and for a testing purpose, I'll just say something like this. There we go. Done. And let's find our trigger. Episode 32. Oops. And the live one, since that's the one we built. There we go. And what do you want to do? Let's loop through the records we get. So let's do a for each. And the array I want to loop through is the result array. So I'll put that one in there. And then just do the good old log to show you why isn't my keyboard working anymore? Or my remote keyboard. Huh. Well, never mind. I'll solve it. And I'll just hit... Why? I'll do it like this then. Sorry about that. Did it start working? Short description. And for, and let's do something like this. We want to have number is, and I'll just there we go. Done, and let's hit test. Kind of fun because I just noticed that you can hit test without hitting save first, which is a time-saving thing to find out after a couple of years, I guess. So let's take a look. Short description for that incident is this, and let's just go through them. You can see that they're working good. So this is how you can use the JSON parser to just make your life simpler and just get all the stuff out there as fast as you can. So thank you very much for watching, and see you around.